Hi, Zarik Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization, and I'm gonna put a video title USA Math Ministry and Organization Ultimate Hacking Tool to Hack Cooperative Powers and Government and Banking System. So I have graphics here for you. The first graphic is, the way that this government and power works, they are rich, because the thing is rich in whatever they are. It's going to be financial, it's going to be based on level of era. Right now is money, but then right now I think it's going to be technology, right? I mean, we are moving to AI, so different elements different times works. But then there's rich people, the way that they expand, they use demonic forces. And then the way that they expand, demonic forces tell them what to do. Right now, they create poor with drug and mind control. CIA operation. I mean, in Compton, you see drug. Drug comes from South America. South America comes from Afghanistan. And that's why American troops are there, because they harvest beautiful opioid they bring here. They industrialize it. They create different type of substances and they sell it. And of course, inside it, they kill inside themselves too. So they expand, they get bigger and bigger, but based on demonic power. Why it's demonic? Because in this video, the brain rating, right now the brain rating based on chess, you can just go anything, because in general, you can just work on math, or I worked on chess, and I would say between 1200 and 1500 is a regular average. That when it gets to 1500 is a very great level that people can live. Very great, prosper living. But an AI, I mean, the government must work with this level of AI. And if exceed that, it's already exceeded many times, that it's not, you are influenced by demonic forces if you are happy and alive with the abuse that already killed you. I mean, it's impossible to have computers over this power. I'm not talking about elite. Sometimes you have genius people, physical genius, but mostly from Archimedes, Pythagorean, Newton, and Albert Einstein, all of them are into a cult. So they are not alive. They are using demonic forces. You know why? Let me go first with the printing money thing, because where is that one? I mean, it's amazing that, when I'm just working on these applications, it starts not to work. Why is not working? I mean, really? Why this stuff is not coming, right? So how the scam, I mean, I'll go with the printing money scam. It's just all the other things is gonna work like this, right? So it's very beautiful. Maybe I need to make my face big, so you see the. So where is my kind of mouse right now? Okay, here it is. Here it comes my face. Okay. Here you work, right? You work this page. You give your work, right? I'm exchanging. This work goes here, and this paper goes here. So I have one paper. So the paper goes to my pockets. So I give one work, paper, let's say 2 papers. So one paper goes to my, another you work, so you give your work to them, you have 2 papers, right? So right now you have this nice 2 paper. So you have 2 paper, and then you give them and you get it back. So get it back, right? So again, you did another work. I mean, sometimes this is very easy, but when it gets to the proportionality is 1 by 1, right? You give it, you take it. You give it, you take it. See what is gonna happen right now. So you can play with the kids in your home, right? So right now, again, we're gonna play, but this is gonna be amazing. You give this one to me, it's gonna go to my pocket, and another work comes in. You give this to me, and this goes here. But me, I'm an asshole. I'm printing money. This time, I will put here. But when I'm exchanging, this time I will get 3 things out. So this was here, but with that 3 things, I get that. So here I will go back to this graphic. So here's a scam comes in. So here there's a printing money. I'll get 3 items, right? I give the 3 item, then the 3 item, I give 3 item, then I print another one, so I have 4, so I get 4 item. Here I was not able to show, I have no place. So you learn it. So it's very simple how to hack government. This is the way you hack the government. So government is hacked already, so you know the scam of them. And that's, is there anything that I need to add? No, I've said what I should say. You have the graphic, and I will again attach that Excel sheet that I showed how to for Uber and Lyft drivers. But I think this presentation was really enough. And by the way, sometimes you need to check this, secret societies that most, it's very simple. Rotary Secret Society. So Rotary Secret Society, Bill Gates was a member of it. And close this. This is industrial, economic part of Illuminati. And I would say Bill Gates. Bill Gates, exactly. I think you can find it. Here it is. Very nice. Bill Gates, Rotary International. So this billionaire belongs to Secret Society of Freemasons, right? So I already hacked them. And a judgment of Christ comes through Christians, that it's already started. So in this very beautiful short, maybe it's going to be part from both of the videos that I present. So very nice, very nice. So I went through this picture. I will upload the pictures, and based on my company that I established, it's a beautiful, I'll go from my web page, an idea of my pay page, even it doesn't matter, sometimes when I'm telling that I will charge these people at least $1 trillion, because elasticity of AI is simple, that you should work on this, if the brain is this level, why you're creating more than this level of AI? When something burns your hands, right? And you're using it again, when God says don't eat the apple and you eat the apple, if you're alive with that burning hands, you have demonic forces and you're a zombie. I am not. I'm speaking out. And I'm telling technology must stop. Wait till the brain reaches that level. And more than this level, we don't need, because I'm thinking about average people. Some people have high level. We don't need that much. First of all, I'm not bringing communism. This comes from all the Bible, and it's the harmony. We don't need governments. We don't need university. We don't need college. Proper education. That's it. If everything is in harmony, if you give it, can I go with the picture right now? I have no idea why I'm struggling with these pictures. Again, that picture comes in. Why? How many times? So this is the scam. Why we should have this scam kind of, this, why, this is one method, mind control and drug, this is very obvious. It's so simple to explain, I don't want to go to, and here it is. When you go to you push this button, right? The product button. So here I say, it's a very easy, open source classification. Don't sin. Sin is it closes your mind. It doesn't let you to think. And artificial intelligence must stop, man. We have enough knowledge to just feed the hungers, create jobs, and this is the way that rich gets richer, poor gets poor, and it's all demonic. And here, that's why in my, here in system engine and here AI, I will say no, and I will charge them $1 trillion to give all the money back. USA Math signing off. Bye.